morning, Tim Kanak with Perkins Roofing, and I know you love these videos. I am on my roof right now. I finished this roof. I actually have a YouTube video when I did this roof. It's in evergreen. There's my metal roof I did in evergreen. I do a lot of roofs in this neighborhood. But I just did this roof about 1.5 years ago. And so I'm gonna give you a follow-up on why concrete tiles suck. You can see all around there are no trees above the roof. You have one palm frond right here, but there are no broken tiles around that. But look right here. These tiles are breaking naturally right here, and these are foam installed. This is what happens with the flat tiles nowadays. This is a Westlake dark charcoal tile, and this is just what's happening with all the concrete tiles. This is why I have so many videos that say concrete tiles suck, because there is nothing above that could break these tiles. This is 2 stories. Nothing is getting on this roof. These tiles are just naturally breaking from moisture absorption. Here's another one, and the crack is in the same spot on all these tiles. Number 2. Here's another one. Number 3. So there are 3 broken tiles right there. There are more I'm gonna go to in a second. I'll flip the camera around to show you. Here are 2 more. Right here. 4, same crack. And 5, the corner. So that's 5 broken tiles on this roof that is less than 2 years old. And there is nothing above that could break the tiles. The old concrete tiles, this wouldn't happen. This only happens with the newer concrete tiles because the quality is now worse since there are only 3 manufacturers. There used to be more manufacturers. Look right here. 6 and 7. And there's a couple more right down there. I'm gonna turn the camera up. So these cracks, nothing above, 2 stories, nothing's getting up here except for me. And he has not cleaned the roof. He said no one has walked in this roof since it has been completed. 2 more here, so there's 9, 10, 11 right here. That's just crazy. Concrete tiles suck, people. And look, there's another one right here. 12 broken tiles. 1.5 year old roof. Nobody's been on the roof. No foliage above. Moral of the story. Oh look, here's another one. Look at that. 13 broken tiles. All the same crack. Moral of the story, people, is that concrete tiles suck. Install clay tiles or install metal. Now, call Perkins Roofing, and I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm giving you the truth. I'm not gonna make stories up like other people. In this neighborhood the other day, I had another roofer talking crap, saying that snap block panels are better than standing seam. Everybody knows that's not the case. That's ridiculous. So give us a call. Perkins Roofing, 305 MIA Roof. For Perkins Roofing Jupiter, 561-559 Roof. That will serve Palm Beach, Martin, St. Lucie counties. Perkins Roofing OG serves Miami, Broward, Dade. Miami, Broward, and Dade. Perkins Construction, call either of those numbers. And lastly, but not leastly, Perkins Franchise. Franchise with me, I'll teach you all this stuff so you can sell jobs. Let's do it. See you later.